it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today in this video I'm going to talk about online teaching demo. Yes, as in this pandemic situation, the coronavirus time, we all are working from home, and especially the teachers. So for that, maybe you need to attend any teaching demo from home by using the online tools. So this video is going to be useful for you because I'm going to show you how to use the online tools effectively, and you can teach the students easily by using the online whiteboard as like the normal class, or you can use this technique for your online teaching demo as well. So let's start today's video. If you are a new visitor to the channel, please do consider subscribing because I'm making really good effort to enrich your teaching skills and sharing whatever I learned from my teaching experiences. And if you are a return subscriber, thank you so much for the appreciation. Keep watching and keep supporting us. So let's start today's video. So let's start the process. Today I'll show you how to take the class by using the online software. See, you can use Zoom meeting, you can use Google Meet, you can use Skype, or you can use any other app which is useful for you. Today I'm showing with Google Meet because I found it more safe, and mostly people are using Google Meet in India nowadays for teaching. So if you have question regarding any other app, just share in the comment box and I'll answer that. Okay, so let's start with Google Meet. Whatever I'll teach you today, you can use with any of them. You can use it with Zoom as well as Skype or any other application you are using for teaching online. So you can use it for all. Okay, so I'll start. Let me start the screen recording for you guys. So just one second. Okay, so here I've started. Now, okay, and for Google Meet, what I have to do, I'll just go to the search bar and I type meet.google.com and I just click enter, and then this screen is get open in front of me. Now I'll click here on the new meeting. I go to start instant meeting, and you can see I want to keep the mic and the camera on because I want to interact with my students. I want to show my face. So join now. You can see this is the link. If I share this link with any of my students, so they just have to click the link and they can join me. So I'm going to copy and I'll share. You can use any mode. Maybe you share with WhatsApp or you share with any other mode. So I'm going to share this. Okay, as you see, Suchita experiences are joined. So now you can see on the screen that this is me, I'm presenting the class, and this is my students. As many number of students are interested, they click on the link, they can join you. Now for example, here with the chat you can say good morning everyone, and you just share few it's 3, 1. So you share your class rules. Open your books, pen ready with the pen, or anything you can say that open that page number, that for yellow color book, or any instruction you want to just write the general one, so that if any student is late they can see it here. So you can see the student can reply here. Okay, student just reply to me back. They can reply back, or anyone who don't want to interact and feel shy, they can say, see, he's replying good morning ma'am. So they can ask any question. You can share today's topic is friction maybe. Okay, I'll say today's topic is friction, and this chat will be available throughout the class, and in between they can ask questions. So that is all about interaction. Now I'll come to, for example, I want to present my screen. I want to show my students how they can. I want to show them how I present, how I can teach them. So that I'm going to show you now. So I just click here, present now, and I select present your entire screen, and I click here and I present share. Now my entire screen is presented to the student. You can see in the student video also, he can see my video as well as the screen which is shared by me. So now this is the most important part of the class which I am going to show you. What you need to do, go to another tab, open Google and type whiteboard Milo. I'm just telling you, click whiteboard Milo on the Google search bar. That's it, and press enter. Now can you see here the first one, Milo free online collaborative whiteboard platform. I'll just click here and my whiteboard is ready. See, I'm already logged in. Maybe if you are using it first time, maybe it will ask you to just enter your name and your email ID, and then this screen will get open in front of you. So I just use my blank board. It's opening. Okay, so now this is my whiteboard. This I can use as my normal class. For example, I will write at the top heading of today's class. I'll write, let me increase the font size a little. Topic, as I said already. What is the topic of today's class? Friction. Friction. Or maybe anything like, a kinetic energy, anything, whatever you like. I just written my topic. So can you see, it's so easy. Whatever you write, they can see. You can check in the student screen, they can see whatever I'm writing on my whiteboard. This is all about writing. You just need to click here in the text and you can write whatever. I'll tell you another one. Okay, I select this. It's so easy. Okay, diagram. I'm writing the subheading diagram. Okay, now this is the diagram. Now you need to go here and can you see here pen? Just click on pen, choose the color. I've chosen black only, or maybe I'll choose another color to just make it more interactive, green. And now I'm going to show, for example, I want to make any graph. I want to make a curve. I'm just using my hand and the notepad, like the mouse pad, and I'm just using my finger to do that. So you can show, okay, this part is showing this part is showing, or maybe if you are a maths teacher and you want to just draw a triangle, you can just simply draw a triangle. It is little like, wavy because I'm using my fingers to do that. And you put any angle here, any angle there. Or maybe you want to show like, a beaker with water. This is like, a beaker. I will say it's here, water. See, it's a little bit slow because I'm using the fingers to write, but you can use it smartly. You type the things which you want to write and just draw a little bit with your hands. Isn't so interactive and like, easy. Okay, now to make it more effective, what I'm using, I have a tablet. This is a pen tablet of Huon company, and this is coming along with the pen. So if I will attach my laptop just with this cable, and this will work like a normal notebook. So the difficulty which I'm facing in writing and drawing, the curves are coming, I'll just keep on writing and it's coming on the screen like that. Yes, it will be much better in that case because it will be, so it's a Huon company tablet and I'm using it from last 6 months, and it's very light in weight and easy to carry and handle. So if you want, I can share the description of because I purchased it from Amazon, and I'll share the link in the description box, and you can go and check the price. If it's suitable for you, you can purchase this. And it's coming with a very lightweight pen, so it's very easy. It made my life a bit easy. If you're a teacher and you are frequently using online teaching, or even you are doing tutoring with the help of online platforms, so you do consider purchasing this. So that is all about the whiteboard. Now I'll come to the another feature. For example, I want to show a PowerPoint. So what I need to do, I'll just minimize. See, because I've shared my entire screen, so whatever is open on my screen is visible to the students. So this PowerPoint is open in front of me. I can use this, and I can show, okay, this is kinetic and molecular theory, pressure, barometer, Pascal, whatever. I'll just the cursor will go. They can read, and you can ask the student to read for you. Other than that, you go back here. You want to you go to YouTube, and you share anything. For example, I'm sharing anything related to science experiment for kids, and you can share any you can play any video, and they can see that video, they can see the voice, and then you discuss the questions. So it's all up to you. The other option, what you can do, you just write something on the page, click the picture, attach it here with the PowerPoint, attach the picture here, and you can teach them and you can show them. Okay, and if you connect the cable with the tablet, then you can also write on the PowerPoint also. I'll show you that option as well. 1 minute. Okay, so now I connected with my pen tablet and my pen with my laptop. So it's just a wire I connected, and I'm ready to use. Okay, so for example, you don't want to use the whiteboard, or you don't want to you don't feel comfortable with finger, you just purchase this. And how you can use the PowerPoint as a whiteboard, as well as you can teach with the help of that. For example, I'll show you. For that, what you need to do in the PowerPoint, just go to the draw option. Here is your pen, click here, black. It's okay, it's ready to use now. Now I select, for example, I want to teach the objective. So I'll say this is the objective of my lesson, and kinetic molecular theory to explain this, and this. Whatever you want to highlight, whatever you want to say, you can explain it to your student. Other than that, if you'll take a blank slide, see this, I've chosen the blank slide. Now with the help of this blank slide, you can use it as a whiteboard. How? For example, I'm saying, okay, I'm going to the draw option. Now the topic is kinetic energy. Can you see? I'm able to write with the help of this just like a normal notebook. So the topic is kinetic energy. Now I'll say kinetic energy formula is kinetic energy is equals to half mv squared. So it's so comfortable, you can write here and it is presenting on the screen. Other than that, for example, you show this is a person and it's moving. So the moving energy is always kinetic energy. And if you want to any diagram, you want to show any beaker, it's so easy. This is my beaker and it contains a solution of water plus copper sulfate. So it's perfectly easy. It made my life so easy. So it is a must buy product. You can buy of any other. You check, there are so many options available in India as well, because I'm here in Dubai. So Dubai, I found this one is the best one. You check other option. I try to link all the type of pen tablets there in the description box. So I hope I try to explain everything and it will be helpful for you. Let me know your doubts. I try to solve you. I'll try to make another video if you want to see more interaction based activities on online teaching. On that note, thank you. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay inside. Bye bye, and keep growing in your career.